Oh, it's Halloween. No, we're not doing it. We're doing it sensibly. It is Halloween. In fact, one of the scariest things about Halloween is the prospect of having to carve your own pumpkin. It's a messy, mucky, torturous task, and you can only use your pumpkin once. You won't be able to use this next year. Trust me, I've tried. So it's time to jack up your jack-o'-lantern and construct your own creepy creation with this upcycled pallet wood pumpkin. Oh yeah, we're gonna show you how to do it in 5 easy steps. But first we need our gloves, our goggles, a drill, a circular saw or hand saw, a jigsaw, and some sandpaper or a sander. Step 1, source some old wood, perhaps from the depths of a cursed crypt or a haunted house. Or out of a skip, I just got this old piece of scaffold board. You can use a pallet as well. Step 2, cut your wood. Cut the length to your preferred size. We made our small lantern 30 centimeters tall, our medium lantern 40 centimeters, and our large lantern a devilishly 666 centimeters. Secure your pieces into a coffin. You want to make a rectangular box, basically, like this. Adorn your creepy creation with a monstrous visage. What is monstrous visage, anyway?
It's an ugly face.
Oh. Step 4. Draw a simple, creepy face. Monstrous visage. Carve out your creepy creations using power tools and finish with fire.
Yeah, I think that's too much fire. Sorry.
The last thing to do is to add your lamp and your lid, and you jacked up your jack-o'-lantern. Happy Halloween!